little baby. What are you doing? Can you smile? There's a big smile. Hi. What are you doing down there, huh? Can I get you? Can I get you? Oh, what do you have, Reed? Hold it up. Hold it up. Oh, thank you. Did you get this for Halloween? Hold it up for the camera so the camera can see it. Hold it up. There you go. What is that? Is that a Kit Kat?
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy, huh? You want me to open it? You have to ask your daddy first, or mommy. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you can try it. Have anything open it for you.
All right, let's open it then. Here you go. Wait, not quite. All right, there you go. Grab it. I think it went to the bathroom. Oh, he'll be back. Is that yummy? What do you have to say for yourself, Deedle? Do you have the cord to charge? Because ours is getting close.
Do you know where the cord is, Tim?
I think the cabinet downstairs or in the desk. Find the
Simon, what do you have to say to your grandparents? Oh. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, Simon. Yeah. Oh, yes. I got that belly. I got that belly. Is that for me?
No.
Then you better eat it. No?
No.